Hi, happy flowers. Welcome to my channel. Let's enjoy making flower arrangements. In today's video, I will show you how to make a round shaped centerpiece arrangement in Western style. It's a beautiful arrangement for the coffee table and it has to be viewed from the top. Now let's start making this beautiful arrangement. Take a flower foam and soak it in water. And don't press the foam. It has to sink on its own. Now cut the foam in the shape of the container and fix it in the container. Start arranging the leaves on the foam. Leaves have to be inserted in a particular angle. Cut the leaves in proper length. When you arrange the leaves, they have to form a round shape. I have taken 4 pieces of fern leaves in equal length and inserted at the sides. I am taking another 4 pieces of leaves in equal length and inserting at the top at an angle of 45 degrees. This is the view from the top. To bring texture to the arrangement, I am adding another variety of leaf in the same manner. Carefully arrange the leaves, forming a nice round shape. Once you finish arranging the leaves, start arranging the flowers in the same way. Cut 4 flowers in equal length for the side. I am inserting 2-3 small flowers at the top. I have taken another 4 flowers in equal length and inserting at the 4 corners at an angle of 45 degree on top of the foam. When you arrange flowers in this way, you can bring a beautiful round shape to the arrangement. I am adding 3 beautiful roses to the arrangement. Now bring some color to the arrangement. Add more variety of flowers without disturbing the shape of the arrangement. The round shape centerpiece arrangement is complete and it is ready to display now. It can be viewed from the top and from any angle. Flower arrangement is fun and enjoyable. Hope you will enjoy making arrangements like this.